Hello students. In the last video we have done some NCERT questions of the chapter linear equation in two variables. Now in this video we will learn how to plot a graph of a linear equation in two variables. For explaining that I am taking one example, 2x plus y is equal to 3. Now for drawing a graph, we have to select three suitable values of x and find the value of y corresponding to each value of x. Here we take x is equal to 0 as a first value. Now put the value of x 0 in the given equation. So 2 into 0 plus y is equal to 3. So here y is equal to 3. Let the second value x is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 plus y is equal to 3. 2 plus y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 1. Let the value of x is equal to minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 plus y is equal to 3. Minus 2 plus y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 plus 2. Now in this table, put the values of x and y which you have find above. So now you will get three ordered pair. First ordered pair 0, 3, 1, 1, minus 1, 5. Now plot the 3 points on the graph paper and join any 2 points by straight line. Now to check the correctness of the graph, see that the third point also lie on a line. Plot 0, 3, 1, 1, minus 1, 5. By joining these 3 points, we get a line. Now take two more points for case 1, a point A which lie on a line, and case 2, a point B which point does not lie on a line. Now let's check these 2 points in a equation. In case 1, a point A 2, minus 1, where x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. Now put these values in the equation 2x plus y. So 2 into 2 plus minus 1, 4 plus minus 1 is equal to 3. Now here left hand side is equal to right hand side. In case 2, ordered pair B 1, 2, where x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So 2 into 1 plus 2, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now here left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Now by plotting these points, we get the results. First result, the graph of the linear equation will always be a straight line. Second, every point on the line will be a solution of the given equation. Third, every point which does not lie on a line will not be a solution of the given equation. Now, we will find how to find the solution of the equation of a line parallel to x-axis and y-axis. For this, we take a question. Give the geometric representation of y is equal to 3 as an equation in one variable and in two variable. First, we will plot in one variable. In one variable, or you can say that number line. If you have to plot the equation geometrically, y is equal to 3 as a one variable, then it can be represented as a point on a number line. You will draw a number line and point of y is equal to 3. Now, if you plot a geometric representation of y is equal to 3 as an equation in two variables, or you can say that Cartesian point. So, you have to change the equation in two variables. So here y is equal to 3, variable x is not given. So you will change the form of this equation in the form 0 into x plus y is equal to 3. So in this form, equation does not change, but form of the equation becomes linear equation in two variables. So here, take the values of x. If x is equal to 1, then value of y is equal to 3. If x is equal to minus 1, then also value of y is equal to 3. If you take x is equal to 2, then also value of y is equal to 3. Now plot these 3 points on a graph: minus 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 2 and 3. Now join these points, you will get a straight line. Now what result you will get? Here, graph of the equation y is equal to 3 is a line which is parallel to x-axis. And this is a positive value, so it is on the above side of the x-axis. So result is, if y is equal to a, means any value, is the equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis at a distance of a unit from it. Means if y is equal to 3, then see here, then the distance of the graph is 3 unit from the x-axis. If it is positive, then above the x-axis, and if it is negative, then it is below the x-axis. Means if a is greater than 0, then line is above the x-axis, and if a is less than 0, then the line is below the x-axis. Now take another example. Give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 in one variable and in two variable. Now the equation is 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. First of all, you have to solve it and get the value x is equal to minus 4.5. Now first of all, you have to represent in one variable, means it can be represented on a number line. Now plot the point x is equal to minus 4.5. Now if you have to plot x is equal to minus 4.5 in two variable, so you have to change the equation in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So you will write this equation as 2x plus 0 into y plus 9 is equal to 0. Now here also put the value of y. First you put value of y 0 in the above equation, then value of x is equal to minus 4.5. If you take y is equal to minus 1, then again you will get value minus 4.5. If you take y is equal to 2, then you will get value of x minus 4.5, and so on. Now plot these points on a graph: minus 4.5 and 0, minus 4.5 and 1, minus 4.5 comma 2, minus 4.5 comma 3, and join these all points, then you will get a line which is parallel to y-axis, and its distance from the y-axis is minus 4.5 units. Distance is 4.5 unit from the y-axis. So result is, if x is equal to b is the equation of the straight line, then it is parallel to y-axis at a distance of b units from it. And if b is greater than 0, then line lies right hand side of the y-axis. And if b is less than 0, then the line is left hand side of the y-axis. As here x is equal to minus 4.5, then this graph of this line lies on the left hand side of the y-axis. Now in this video we have learned how to plot the graph of the linear equation. Now in the next video we will do multiple choice questions of the chapter linear equation in two variables. Thank you and have a nice day.